Welcome back to Techno.yes video. In this video I am going to show you how you can start the dating device here in Word. In my case I don't have the official packet, so in order for you to be able to do, we are going to go to where it says files and to slice more. In more we can see options. When we're option, we're going to where it says customs ribbon. Okay, and we can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth option in start and on set. We search voice. Voice add here and finish. The second option is press Windows and the letter H, and we can see this is initializing. It's very simple in Word normal, and if you have dictated in Word document of Google, we go to here and enter, and this icon appears. Press in and we can see this right every word. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us here in Techno.yes.